Yep.
Hi, I'm Douglas Lee, and if you want to do this, is make this thing, you could, but it'll be hard. But here's what it looks like on the thing. And let's get started. I'm gonna only put about this much coins. I don't know for sure because it's past my bedtime, but I just open this up, and then we could put a coin in there. But if it gets stuck like that, we could just put this again, and then it'll go. And here it is, watching from here when I put a coin in. So look in there. See, that's where it comes out. And do you see this tank?
Mm-hmm.
All of them are in this tank. And this thing was hard to make. Let me show you a better reveal of it. Here's what it looks like for reals. And personally. And just look into there. Oops. One sec. And then you can put a penny, nickel, quarter, or dime on there. You could put yours any color. That'd be good with white. And if you want to put it back on, you could just put it back on. And then you could just stick these things back on there. Oh. Sometimes it breaks like that, but it's alright. You can still fix it.
That's pretty cool, dude.
So,
Okay, tell
bye
him.
bye. Send me a message so that you could get some more information. Bye.